Hello kids, welcome back to Phonics
We missed
Adventure.
you so much. Let's remember what we learned last time.
G says G like goat. H says H like hat. I says E like ice cream. Today we are learning 3 new letters.
Yay! Which one?
Today's letters are J, K and L. Look everyone, this is letter J. J says J like jar.
Here's a juggler for J. J's for juggler. Watch this.
This is letter K. Says K like kite. Repeat after me. K, K, kite. This is letter L. L says L like lion.
Look, a lion.
Let's try it together. L, lion. Let's play a phonic game. What sound? What sound? K, K, kite. What sound? L, lion. You did an amazing job today. Today we learned J, K and L.
Next time we'll learn even more letters. Bye kids! See you in the next Phonics adventure!